channel, Northbound Motorcycle ADV. And for those of you that don't know me, my name is Forrest Johnson, and I ride a Royal Enfield Himalayan. Today is the halfway point, and find ourselves waking up on just a wonderful view of this Stuart Lake. So as we pack up, I'm gonna head on out of here and then do a short ride over to Fort St. James, which is just on the other side of the lake here. Okay, so we just got here, pulled into the parking lot, just gonna get ready to go inside right now and take a look at this Hudson Bay Company Incorporated. I didn't know it was that far back, 1670. May 2nd, 1670. That's pretty cool. Let's go take a look around. Doing stuff like this, you know. I came a little out of my way to take a look at it, so should be pretty cool. Fort St. James National Historic Site. You are here. Oh, it's pretty good size, like a plantation looking thing, huh? Alright. Let's go in and buy our ticket. I think it's like $8 or $9 is what I was told. So let's do this. Hello. Is it okay to film or take pictures? Great. Okay, so I just finished the film, a little 9-minute film talking about the history of the place and how they've restored it. But look at this view when you step outside. Wow, I was camping over there last night, and yeah, out of order. Oh, that's a bummer. So let's go take a tour and walk into the past in the 1800s and the fur trading of Canada. Hudson Bay Company. Number 1. All right, number 1. This must be like the dock area. Oh, look, yeah, there's the old pier and stuff that they have for loading and unloading the furs and supplies. Buildings everywhere. Love the split rail fence. That's pretty cool. But that old dock and pier is super cool. How you doing? I'm doing well. Just came in
for this area.
So I have a question about that. So is the Northwest Company and the Hudson Bay Company, those are two different companies, correct?
Yeah, they were. So
Okay.
for a long time they were competitors. But later on, the two companies, well, I think it was more of a hostile takeover situation. They merged into one, which kept the name of Hudson's Bay.
Hudson's Bay is
Yeah,
the
so
one that
this-
won out, huh?
Yeah, and that was about 1919.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Sorry, I'm mistaken.
Hmm?
1819.
1819. Okay, yeah, 100 years difference
You
there.
can edit that bit out.
Sounds good. All right, well, what have you got inside?
I'll be happy to show you some of the idea. So it's a storage building. It holds approximately 10% of the amount of furs that would have been here in the year 1896.
Oh, no kidding.
They chose the year 1896 because it fits with the generation of these buildings, which were all built in the 1880s, and it's the year they had the most information about in terms of what items were here, how it was set up.
Gotcha. Wow.
So, and on the other side, we have some of the trade items in a similar proportion. So imagine this place being, 7 times as much stuff in it.
7 times as much stuff.
Yeah.
Wow, that would be pretty much floor to ceiling, I'm thinking.
Luckily, there is an upstairs. We don't send guests up there anymore, but they had room for overflow.
Oh, wow. So what are the different pelts that we have here?
Sure, I can go through them if you like. So I'll start with the littlest weasel. This is called an ermine, or it's also known as a white weasel. It changes color in the winter to white.
Oh, nice.
This is a mink, and this is a marten. They're very similar, also part of the weasel family.
So before we go any further, I understand that beavers were in fashion, and they did a lot of trapping for beavers so that they could make hats.
Yes.
So what was just a variety of different reasons for these as well, or
Yeah, so
mostly
the
for-
fur-bearing animals.
Okay. Well, that was fun. Enjoyed that. Could spend all day there, but really gotta start heading down the road. Took a little break at this really nice little kind of very secluded but yet in plain sight rest area right off the highway. Just it says pull to the left. You can't see it, and then you go down this little road about 100 meters or so, and yeah, you're right on the river and picnic tables. Quiet, beautiful. Love British Columbia. So I wanted to take a break for a second and check the map, see where I'm at. There's a campground I'm looking for, and it turns out I'm only 2 kilometers away. So it's not going to take me very long to get over there. It's just a few minutes, but hopefully there's some spots. I haven't had any trouble yet, so we'll continue on, and if we get a spot there, then I'll sit down and we'll have a chat and discuss where we are and what we're doing and what we're going to do tomorrow. So having a good day today. It's hot now. It was cold when I left this morning, but now it's hot. It's 28 degrees, which is about 83 or 84, something like that in Fahrenheit. So yeah, it's warm. For somebody who lives on the coast, you know, it's pretty warm. So anyway, let's continue down the road and see if we can't get a campsite, and then we can relax and maybe go swimming in that river, because that looks completely inviting. And yeah, let's do that. good. So I can actually take some time and relax now. Hopefully. Okay.